Yes, alright, people. It's another day at my home garage, and I'm all dressed up to do some work. Do some work. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what we have today. I have place is so busy actually. Yeah, it's a beautiful day outside. Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah, we're in the garage. I'm in my garage, home garage, and I have a few little projects running. Yeah, you can see everything is scattered around the place, the tools, everything. I'm trying to do so many things. Yeah, with the bike, as usual. So what I was doing here is I had to do another bracket for this fender to fit right there. Yeah, so because the other old bracket was a whole bunch of stuff going on here that I never liked, so I had to clean it up. There was these things that were held on on this plate. It was on there and it was fitting in there like so, like that, and those brackets went over this plate, aluminum plates. So it looked all, tacky, and I never liked it, so I devised means to do something more simpler, more cleaner. Does it look clean to you? Well, yeah, I'm not. This is just 2 weeks of me training how to weld, not even weeks, in a few days. So yeah, I'm still getting my hands better at welding. So yes, there's that. But I ran into a small problem because when I was welding, I had to weld this 10 millimeter nuts. Actually, yeah, they're nuts for this. That's going to attach the brackets to the fin like that. So it's going to go there, then to here. So when I was welding this nuts to these two nuts on there, yeah, overwelded everything, and some of the weld seeped into the holes and affected the threads of the nuts. So I have to deal with that issue, and there's no other way than to use a tap to rethread that area. So yeah, I have to do that, as you can see. So of course I never had a tap and die set, none of those things. I had to run to town this morning and bought a tap and die set, the smaller one, but I think it should do the job. Bigger one was much more expensive, so this should do the job. I think this is the tap to rethread there. Let's give it a try and see. This is labeled M6. I'm getting clear, but yeah, that's it. So supposed to rethread there, right there. So it should work. That is the thing for the job. Other than that, I did a whole other bunch of stuff. But I had to weld this other bolt on there for the tank. It was not there. I had to, of course, extend my fender down here, which I did pretty well for a fast welder. I mean, for a not so experienced welder like myself, I had to add on that piece to the fender, and looks like butter. So yeah, it just fit on very well. Yeah, separate myself from that job on this one. So yeah, let's see. There's some little updates on what I'm doing in my garage on this bike. Yeah, of course when I had to weld things on the bike, I had to put away the battery, pull it off, disconnect it, and also disconnect the plugs and the sockets, spark plugs. So I had to do that as well to avoid electric shocks. Yeah, that is pretty much it for now. Of course, I still have to also work on the tank that I had to cut in half. I'm welding it today. Let's see how that goes. So yeah, that's it. That's it. I'll look around maybe my garage. There are some new things on the wall, maybe not. Maybe yes. Some new things on the wall, some new pictures. Oh yeah. Got some of those from the internet. Yeah, that is a picture. Maybe a week or two after I just bought the bike, as you can see. Around there. Took a picture of it. And that's my first trip out of the city with a few friends, with two of my friends. They all are bobbers. One is a Kawasaki Vulcan, the blue one you see over there. And then this is a Honda Shadow 750. It looks good the way he bobbed it out with that vintage seat. Harley Davidson vintage seat. I don't know where I go from. It has a spring as well. Very interesting bike. It's a Vulcan. Vulcans are overrated, but many of those things sound so good. They have a deep roll with them. So yeah, that's it. Garage is still relatively new with my brothers. Trying to do lots of things with it. I think that is supposed to go this side. That cabinet. Because actually that place is where I want to do some sculpture as well. So let's see how that goes. But yeah, looking good so far. Can't complain. These are my first welds. Oh, I actually had this painted. We'll try and get some paint. Chrome paint. But yeah, those were some of my first welds. Some welding practice. That's the vice I got the other day. I just need to weld the table to install the vice. But yeah, that's it for now. This for now. Yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching as usual. See you next time.